Hi, I'm Paddy, and this is how to install a smart wireless video doorbell. Let's get into it. A smart video doorbell is a great way to keep an eye on your front door, whether you're home or away. We're using Swan Evo wireless video doorbell with Chime. It offers handy features like HD video, head-to-toe view, two-way talk, night vision, and motion and heat detection. Start by making sure everything's ready before you mount it. Charge the doorbell using the USB-C cable and pop in a micro SD card if your model supports it. Then, download the compatible app and create an account. Use the QR code on the back of the doorbell to begin the setup. Just follow the prompts to pair the device. Once it's connected, take a moment to explore the settings in the app. You can customize motion sensitivity, tweak your notification preferences, and even personalize the voice assistant's greeting. It's a good idea to test the camera feed and alerts before installation. That way, you'll know everything's working just how you want it. Now you're ready to install. Choose a spot by your front door with strong Wi-Fi signal. Most smart doorbells have a wide viewing angle, so make sure it's positioned to clearly capture visitors' faces and any parcels left at the door. Mark the drill points using the mounting bracket as a guide. Then, secure the mounting bracket with screws. Make sure it's level and nice and firm. Place the doorbell onto the bracket until it clicks into place. Finally, set up the Chime unit. Pop in the batteries and attach it to a wall or surface inside your home using the adhesive pad, and you're good to go. And there you have it. Your new smart wireless doorbell is now installed, making it easier to see who's at your door no matter where you are. If you like this video, make sure to check out our other instructional guides. We've got plenty of DIY advice online to help tackle your next project with confidence.